In today's interconnected world, the journey of a product from manufacturer to consumer is just as critical as its creation. This is especially true for sensitive goods like pharmaceuticals, where maintaining product integrity throughout the supply chain is paramount. That's where good distribution practices, or GDP, come in. So, what exactly are good distribution practices? At its core, GDP is a set of guidelines and regulations that ensure the quality and integrity of products are maintained throughout the distribution process. It governs all aspects of the supply chain, from storage and transportation to handling and documentation. Why is GDP so important? For sensitive products like pharmaceuticals, even slight deviations in temperature, humidity, or handling can compromise their safety and efficacy. GDP ensures that these products reach the patient in the same condition as they left the manufacturer, safeguarding patient health and trust in the supply chain. The importance of GDP extends beyond pharmaceuticals. It applies to various industries, including food, cosmetics, and medical devices. Any product that requires controlled conditions during distribution falls under GDP guidelines. Key elements of GDP include storage facilities. GDP outlines requirements for storage facilities, ensuring they are clean, secure, and maintained at appropriate temperatures and humidity levels. Transportation. GDP governs the vehicles and equipment used to transport goods, ensuring they are suitable for the products and equipped with necessary monitoring devices. Documentation. Accurate and complete documentation is crucial in GDP. This includes records of storage conditions, transportation routes, and product handling. Personnel. GDP requires that personnel involved in the distribution process are trained and competent to handle the products and adhere to GDP guidelines. Product handling. GDP specifies procedures for handling products to prevent damage, contamination, and mix-ups. Temperature mapping. This process ensures that storage facilities and transportation vehicles maintain the required temperature ranges. Deviation. Handling. GDP requires procedures for handling deviations, such as temperature excursions or product damage, to minimize their impact on product quality. Traceability. The ability to track the movement of products throughout the supply chain is essential in GDP. Implementing GDP offers numerous benefits. It enhances product quality and safety, ensures regulatory compliance, reduces the risk of product loss or damage, and improves supply chain efficiency. By adhering to GDP, organizations can build trust with their customers, partners, and regulatory agencies. In an increasingly globalized world, GDP plays a vital role in ensuring the integrity of products across international borders. It provides a framework for harmonizing distribution practices, facilitating trade, and protecting consumers worldwide. In conclusion, good distribution practices are not just a set of rules. They are a commitment to quality, safety, and integrity throughout the supply chain. By adhering to GDP guidelines, organizations can ensure that products reach consumers in optimal condition, safeguarding their well-being and fostering a more reliable and trustworthy global marketplace. Enjoyed the video? Want to stay up to date with the latest GMP insights and guidance? Then make sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got tons more helpful content coming your way. Hit that subscribe button and join the GMP Guide community.